Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Name Study Vlog. So we have done a lot in the past. We did that how to start a YouTube channel. We also discussed about various topics on which you can start a YouTube channel, and I recently uploaded certain videos related to OBS software and how to use the camera and the tripod and the mic and the lights to get if you want to teach something, putting your focus on a thing or on a book or on a paper. Right now I also made certain videos that how to present yourself in front of the camera. The biggest question here comes, all these things can be handled by you at an individual level, but the biggest problems YouTubers mainly face is the green screen. So the screen you're seeing right now in the background is actually a green screen, but I've edited it. That's why the color is different. You can put any patterns here. I'll put different patterns so you can see that there are many things you can put in the background. You can put a beautiful scenery, you can put an abstract art, you can put fruits, veggies, any food items, chocolates. If you are a beauty vlogger, you can put something in pink or glittery or shiny, something like that. Now for this you would need certain things so that you can use this effect. So the biggest problem comes while is editing and using the green screen properly. Many of the people who use the green screen, they face the biggest problem is that they cannot get the right amount of quality in the videos. Either the videos are really blurry or the background and the screen is not matching. So today I'll give you or I'll show you how the green screen works. Okay, so if I can just show you one thing here. This is the green screen and there is a pattern made. Okay, and I'll edit it thoroughly so that you don't have you don't get confused. But suppose if I just remove this. Okay, if I just remove this, this is basically the background of my house. Okay, so this is basically the background of my house, how it looks, or the room. Fine. So while using the green screen, there are certain things which you need to understand, which you need to take care of before actually using the green screen. Okay, so for green screen you would of course need the green screen that will help you to blur the back image and put a new image. Okay, so green screen cloth you can purchase from Amazon. This I purchased from Amazon and I received one more from Unacademy because I teach there. After the green screen, if you can paste it on the wall, if you have the resources right, if you can paste it on the wall, well and good, or you can actually buy a stand. I have a stand here. I'll just so yes, here is the stand and this is a very big stand, and I think it was also expensive because I think it was from 4,000 to 5,000. So if you are just a beginner at the YouTube and you don't want to invest that much amount of money, I would highly recommend you to paste it on the wall or just put a thread, I cannot say, put a rope and make sure the green screen sticks there. Okay, the first thing you need to compulsory have is the green screen. Without green screen you cannot take the effect. So first, green screen. Now there are certain things you need to take very care while using the green screen. The first is there should be no background light, or there should be no light from the background. Suppose if there is a light from background, it will have a very bad effect on your green screen and your videos will not get purely edited. This is very frank. You will face a lot of problems while editing the videos. You will not get the videos right, you will not get the color right, you will not get the whole view will not be the good one. So make sure the light should be in front of you. Like right now, if you can see, there is light in front of me, above me, and the shadow of my specs are on my cheeks. Okay, so this you need to have. It's better if the light is exactly just, you can say, in front of you. That would be the best case scenario. But suppose due to certain reasons you cannot have the light in front of you, you can always have a bit up, but it should be fronting your face. It should be in front of your face, not backwards. Okay, the green screen whereas, so sorry, we were discussing about the lighting, so let me complete that first. There should be no natural lights. So as you can see, there are two windows there, and to close those windows or to block the natural lighting, I put the drapes. So if you just move the drapes, they are good lighting because it's around 3 p.m. here, 3 p.m. and there's a good lighting here in India. So if you are using a green screen, make sure you don't have any natural lights in the room, and if you do, please close it. Use a dark curtain, dark drape, and cover it so that no natural light actually enters the room. And the next let's go to the green screen. So this was about the lighting. So the main points related to lighting I'll summarize in the last, but let's continue. About the green screen, you will need either a stand, or you need to stick on the wall, or you need to place it in such a manner that it doesn't has any folds on it. Right now it has folds, okay, so you don't need that because that will have a very bad effect. And to show the effect, I will even edit this video in such a way that any image which I used at the starting of the video and right now, you can actually see the difference here. But if I make it straight, okay, if I make it straight, you will see the image is far clear. As well as suppose what happens if I have a light at the background. Okay, suppose if I have a light at the background, what will happen? I'm just closing this particular light, and this is the background light. Right now this is the background light, and if I on both the lights, then it will have some certain effect like this. So make sure on the background there is no light, only there should be a light in the front. Okay, the second thing to be taken care of, this should be very straight. It should not have any lumps, any you can say what do we say, any folds in between. It should be plain. It should not have any bubbles. And for the best result, I think you should iron this. Suppose if you're putting it on the wall, if you can stick it on the wall, iron it so that it doesn't have any you can say folds or something. So if this is plain, you'll have a great effect on your background. So this was it about the green screen. So if you are using green screen, there are certain things you need to take care of. The first is buy the right green screen. There are a lot of green screens available online, but you make sure whenever you're buying a green screen from online, either watch the reviews properly, read each and every review, and try to purchase the green screen which has good reviews, either on Flipkart or Amazon or from wherever you're going to purchase. Second, put the green screen at a place where the light is coming from front. Make sure the room has no natural lighting. Natural lighting means the sunlight. You don't want that. You just want the artificial light. Okay. Third thing, make sure your fan is off. That is also an important stuff I forgot. Suppose if I on the fan was off the whole time, and because I need to record, I keep it off only. As soon as you on the fan, there will be waves, or you can say if you did not stick the green screen to the wall, it will flow. Okay, it will flow, and that will ultimately hamper the experience of your video. So if you don't need this, then of course you don't switch on the fan. If you can use AC, if you have the AC, then use the AC, or else record at time frames, because I don't have AC at home. So I usually record at time frames, like I record for 15 minutes, then I take a pause, I just sit under the fan for 5-10 minutes, and then I record again. So you can use that also. Make sure it is you can say crumble free, it is you can say smooth, it is straight, the light is coming from forward. And after this, if you record in such a manner, and make sure it is you can say see, right now this is not exactly good, because you can see here a bit of crumbs, or you can say a flow. Okay, I'm not getting the right word here, but yes, I think you might understand. But what if I have here, once again I had a clip. Okay, yes, so what if I take it like this exactly, and if I fold it at the corner, now you can see there are a lot less. And because the fan is off right now, this becomes almost plain. So that is what we need, that the screen should be almost plain. And I think everything I have already told you in the video. By chance, if you have any more doubts related to the green screen, please do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, I'm going to upload the same video in Hindi for you guys. So if you're more comfortable in Hindi, don't worry. We are going to take the entire video in Hindi also. So I hope you have learned something today. And in the coming sessions, I would surely tell you about how to use the green screen and how to edit your videos if you have recorded this, and how you're going to edit your videos. So that is also I'm going to share. So I hope that's it. Take good care of yourself, study hard, and bye bye.